Yo, what is up, everybody? This is Cold Front Zero White Gamer, and I'm going to show you how to take apart your PS3, put it back together, and how to fix your your disk drive, or whatever that is. But yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, let's get to it. That is a tool set that I have right there. This is the disk drive that I have already taken out, just to let you show. There's all the pieces right here and right there. And then you gotta remember where these go in the PS3 too, and there's also, I took that out though, whatever that is. Whatever this is, please tell me in the comment section what this is. I have no idea what any of that is. But that's cool, I guess. Whatever's in there. Anyways, sorry if the background's a little messy. Here's what you want to do, is you want to take this out, like I have already done. And then you want to take like a butter knife or something, and then you want to like stick it in there. Hold on, let me get something to prop this phone up real fast. Hold on. I apologize. Sorry if you see a pineapple for SpongeBob. And if you want to stick the butter knife like right and like here, and you just want to push up until you hear like a pop on one side. Try not to, break it. But if you break it, then you're just gonna have to buy a whole new one. Which that's what I'm trying right now. Slide. Okay, so it seems like it's coming from the sides. Well, that just happened.
That's what I was thinking. I was just thinking the same thing. That's why you probably couldn't hear me. And I plugged it.
Probably breaking something, but oh well.
Oh, that's funny. I told her to go get the game. It was like $5 or $10 at GameStop.
Yeah, it probably did break something here, guys, but this PS3 is kind of already broken, so. And then I have already taken this side out like this. And then what you want to do is there's a little itty bitty screw right in there. If you can't see that, there you go. And I gotta take that out, so let me just do that real fast. Oh, and here's the piece to it too, for the center piece. Just let me take this little piece out, and we'll be golden. Sorry guys if this is taking a little long. I wasn't planning on taking that long. Okay, after that, ooh, okay, good. Once you got that out, I'm not sure if you can see that, but I can't really see it either. Once you got that out, then you just want to take it, set it down. Hold on, let me show you. You want to set it down like this, and then you just want to take this top piece out right here. Then you got all this mess to work. Little itty bitty dust. Take out the Black Ops 2 disc. Yeah, you got all this. You gotta clean out all this. I'd just blow it if I were you. Be a whole lot easier. I guess this just takes it out. I'm not sure what that does, but this, I'm not sure about that either. I don't know anything of this. I guess this is all disc reader. Yes, let me see if I've broken anything. Doesn't look like it. Sorry about that, I was blowing some dust off. Everything looks fine to me, I guess. I'm not really sure, I can't really tell But yeah, okay. After that's all taken apart, let's see. No, none of this doesn't look broken.
What about that one?
Maybe that's broken? No? Okay.
You might got heavy on
Oh, I gotta clean this piece. Hold on.
Kill him. Those. Oh shit. Oh man, this is like one of the crappiest guns I own. Oh shit. See? What? Oh, stay there. Stay there.
Okay. Now that I have that all situated, guys, sorry about this. All moving the camera around, but then I'm just gonna put it back together.
Let's get double team over there. Okay. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Alright. Now I gotta put that itty bitty screw in. Oh, nice. I'm gonna have to find out which one it is. This one. Seems like it's this one.
Holy cow, man.
I guess it's not one.
I can't even get the gun out of my hand.
Okay, well in a minute we're gonna go see if this works.
Freaking execution.
Now all we gotta do is put this back together. This is the part that's going to be the hardest, because with my fat fingers I cannot fit any of this in. So I'm going to try my best.
Is that gun you got right after the shotguns?
Trying not to mess anything up, trying not to dirty anything up. Okay, now once you got that, now you can set this back in. Pull this out. Put it over this. Okay, I'm not sure how I'm gonna get this. Okay, so sorry you guys that you're waiting this whole time. Dang. Hold on, I'm very sorry. This is actually really complicated than it looks, because of all this stuff that you have to do in order to do this. And I wish, okay, I might have to take this out. I'm not really sure if I have to. I'm not sure if that I can't even take it out. Nope, I can't take it out. That's nice. Well, I'm just gonna have to try somehow to, get that back in. Okay, hold on, you guys. I'm gonna try something here. Oh, do I have it? Nope. So great. Hold on, I'm really sorry guys that you're having to wait. Okay. Nope. God dang it, dude. Do I have to do it this way? Ow. Freaking hurt. This is the hardest part, guys. I'm really sorry if this annoys you that much, but if you can't deal with any of that, then you might have to fast forward this video. Damn it, dude. Oh my god, I had it too. Hold on. Alright guys, well, that's how you fix your PS3 disk drive. I will upload another video on how to install it back. But yeah, have a great day. Bye. Peace.